I want to just show you guys something. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the truck on so you can see how clear of an HD picture this really is. So look, it looks just like you don't have a screen protector on there, but it is, because this is HD, it's not matte. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing the Screenprotech 3-piece screen protector in high definition for the Chevy Colorado Trail Boss. Now this is gonna be the 3-piece. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what we got inside. All right, so you're gonna have your screen, your little bottle, in order to put your slip solution in there. All right, let's check this out. They give you a microfiber towel, which is pretty cool. Oh, and you get the needed squeegee, so we can squeegee out everything once we got the slip solution in. Let's check this out. So I got the insurance package on it, meaning I get double the film. Now if you can already see, this film is very clear, like a high gloss, high definition film. It's not matte, it's not gonna blur your screen. The way your screen would look without a screen protector on, this is going to make it just as vibrant in high definition quality as if there is no screen protection on. This is going to enhance that picture, which is awesome, and that's exactly what I was looking for. Now, you have your dash screen protectors, which is where your speedometer and everything is. And here you have your infotainment center screen protector. And I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and install this. But first, we're gonna go ahead and get the slip solution, which I've already made, which is gonna be 2 parts Johnson's baby shampoo, and then you're gonna do just 3 parts water. But I'm gonna pour mine in there because I've already made it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in real quick. All right, everyone, we're in phase 2 now. So what I need you to do is go ahead and spray down your console. And so I've already sprayed it and started wiping. So all you're gonna do is give it a good mist, and you're gonna use the provided microfiber towel. This is very, very thin, so it's gonna be able to collect all that dust and grime that is on there. So go ahead and use this, and you want to get every portion of your screen nice and clean. All right, so for this portion, we're gonna do one at a time. Now, you're gonna wanna spray your surface and spray the back of the sticky side of your screen protector. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. You also may wanna have your hands a little wet with the spray, so your hands are able to glide across it. And then we're gonna get the squeegee wet so we can go ahead and squeegee all this out. So give us just a second, and I'm gonna show you how to do this the right way. So you wanna be slow and methodical with this process. This is what we're gonna start to do. We're gonna spray here. And it's okay to use more than what you need. I'm gonna spray my fingers. Now I'm gonna do the center. I'm gonna do the center one first. All right, so I'm gonna put that up there. So you're gonna take this, get it wet, get it all wet. Okay, spray my fingers down. Sorry guys, all right. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get this situated. Hold it in the corners for a second, and now our goal is to get this lined up. So we need to get this lined up. When you got that portion lined up, so if you can see how I tacked that side, right? Now I'm gonna tack this side. I'm gonna tack it right here, right? This is called tacking. And that's if I need to move it. So what we're gonna do is, if that looks pretty darn lined up, I'm gonna start slowly squeegeeing this. Okay? Now we wanna get all that water up and out. It's okay if you need to hold this. There's going to be a lot of water. It's okay. We're going to go ahead and start squeegeeing this. And you can collect that extra water here. You want to get it all down here. Work methodical in this process. Okay. Come back through. Hit this again. I'm going to come back through, hit this, and work those bubbles out. Work it out, wipe. Work it out, wipe. Work it out and wipe.
Amazing.
So if your squeegee becomes dry, you need to keep wetting it. Do not be afraid to wet it. We're going to go up.
It's very clear.
Yep, we're going to make sure that there are no bubbles in here.
It's like a mirror.
It is important to do this right the first time. So you want to make sure everything is good. It's okay to do this over and over. All right, looks like we got it on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start gentle, not too much pressure. You want to wipe around your components, push your buttons in. This is going to take a day or two to adhere, but it should turn out like that. It should be like a mirror. You can see yourself in it. And this is going to take a little while to dry, and that's okay. And we're going to give it time. So if you see any bubbles in here, try to work it out immediately, as quickly as you can.
Wow. This is amazing. Look at that.
If there are any bubbles in it as it's drying, it's normal. So some water spots will be in there, you know, give or take, while it's drying. But again, very important that you do this process methodically, and you'll have a very good product. But if you know, I want to just show you guys something. I'm going to go ahead and turn the truck on so you can see how clear of an HD picture this really is. So look, it looks just like you don't have a screen protector on there, but it is, because this is HD, it's not matte. So look, check this out. You got your, you know, your Google Maps and everything.
To do that, you'll need
it looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that back off. I just wanted to show you how clear it is, because we got to put the other couple on. All right, so now it's time to put our sides on. You're gonna use the same process for your sides. I've got my little squeegee bottle down here. All right, so I'm just going to, the hands that I'm touching my stuff with, I wanna make a little wet, and then where I'm putting, we're gonna do the corner piece here. Easy, that's all I need, just like that. Now I'm gonna peel off this corner piece here with my wet hand. It's okay if it's soaking wet, y'all, that's a good thing. We're gonna go ahead and get that on there. You can see the water running down. This is good, it's okay. Let that water run down. Just like we did before, get your squeegee wet. Get your squeegee wet. And I'm gonna try to get this up there as best as I can right here. I'm gonna quickly tack this one. I'm gonna tack this from the sides. And I'm just pulling it up a little bit. Good, 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 good. Wipe that. I'm just gonna wipe this here a second, guys. I'm gonna finish tacking. Excuse me. All right. So you should be able to see how nice that went in. Just dab it dry. Not a lot of pressure.
That looks nice. Way better.
Yeah, so that HD high definition
It looks brand new.
screen protector, yeah, it makes it look nice. 1 second. So just so you can see here, that is a perfect fit, right? Any kind of like little haze or residue, that will come out in time. And again, that is completely normal. All right, we have one more. And, well, we technically have two more, and then we're gonna do this portion here, and they even make one for the button, which is crazy. That's awesome. We're gonna put that one on too. So hang on a second. Let me clean this button off. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go do the next one. We're gonna spray, get it wet. Go ahead, take this off our paper. Where did I put my bottle? It's up here. This can only go on one way. Give it a second, let it push it down. I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. I'm gonna work my way around the the button first, so I can get, I know it's a little hard to see, y'all, sorry. I'm going to get all that air out around the button. Sorry babe, I'm moving my hand around a lot. I'm gonna get all that water out of there. All right. So you can see it's another perfect fit.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and get that little bit of solution out of there. All right. And you have the infotainment center on. So
Nice.
the only thing we got left is that little button there, which they give you the little circle for it. So what we're gonna do, we'll make this a little easier. Don't have to soak this one too much. Alright, we're going to go ahead and install the dash screen protector. This one might be a little hard for us to videotape, but we're going to do the best we can because I got to put my hands through here. So same process. I've already cleaned it, so I'm going to spray this down, spray my fingertips. I'm going to pull the screen protector off. You're going to just get her wet. Once you got that, we're going to go ahead and once you get it in here and situated, yep, so it's a perfect fit. So I need that light just as much as Jessa does. So it's gonna look kind of like that. Wow, that is super clear.
It's like a mirror.
Let me see.
It's
Look,
like,
so
feels like you install a mirror in your.
perfect. All of it super high definition. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn the dash on a second, just so you can see what we're talking about. Let's close this. We're just gonna turn this on. Now if you wanna, here, I'll start the truck a second. So you have, I mean, that is, look at that, super clear. And even with the light on, you know, you really don't really see my smear marks too bad. They're gonna be there until it dries. You need to give this, you know, about a 2 or 3 days to dry out officially. But very high definition.
And it's easy to install.
You all need to see this in person for sure, because this is not matte. This is as clear as if this was off of your screen. Screenprotech, this is an awesome product if you want a high definition view on your screens. if you get the insurance package, you get double the amount of protectors in case you mess up, which you can. Sometimes, you know, if you've never done this before, you have a chance of messing up, but if you follow my guide just as I did this, take your time, use the squeegee, make sure it's wet, and be methodical about the process, you're gonna be good to go. I really love this. Check out Screenprotech. Thank you for watching. We'll put the link in the description. Everything you need to know to get the 3-piece for Colorado. Remember, this is different than the GMC. The GMC is 1-piece. The Colorado Trail Ball specifically is 3-piece. So again, the link will be in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop them in the comments and we will address them. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching again.